Hello everyone, my name is Mudassir Rahim and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Help on YouTube. Today I will in my today's video I will guide you that how can you change the cursor of your mouse of laptop or mouse of PC. So I will completely guide you in a short video, very short video, very short but informative video. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. First of all, you need to go in control panel. When you open control panel, then click on ease of access. After clicking on ease of access, click here that change how your mouse works. Click on this. After you will click on this, then click on mouse settings. After mouse settings, then click on pointers. This is how your mouse will appear. Click one of these options, then your mouse will start working with these shapes. So I hope this video will be very helpful to you. If you found it very helpful to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get access to these types of videos that I will regularly upload on my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.